Hello, I'm Amanda. I'm here to teach you guys how to make potato sticks. You can use your leftover potatoes to make potato sticks. This recipe is not like our usual recipe. It's like continental recipe because French people eat this type of dish. Italy, Spain, and other European countries, they all like potato sticks. That is what I'm going to teach you guys today. It is very simple. So if you have leftover potatoes at home, use them to make potato sticks. If you have cheese, you can add it to make it potato cheese sticks. But before we start with the recipe, these are my ingredients, all right? We're now coming to start the whole thing, okay? The main thing. You're going to boil the potatoes. After that, I'm going to show you the rest. It is very simple, so stay with me. This is Amanda's cooking. I'm now going to start cooking. First of all, you have to peel the potato, okay? All right. I'm done peeling the potatoes. Now you're going to cut it into smaller sizes or any size of your choice before you boil it. You put the water on fire. After washing it, it should look like this, okay? Very clean. Add salt. You cover it and wait for 20 minutes. But before you start the whole thing, the whole recipe, you need to wash your hands to make your fingers neat and very clean, okay? And see. Oh my gosh. Let me just say. Alright. Maybe by 5 minutes time, it should be ready. Alright. Guys, this is my potato sticks. You won't get it anywhere. You can try this at home. It is very simple. Alright. Very simple, as you can see. If you have leftover potato, don't throw it away, okay? All right, I love you guys. Keep watching me and go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go and watch all my videos and comment on them. Share my posts for me. I love you so much. I appreciate the love you guys have been showing me. Oh my God, I love you. This is Amanda's Cook and Eat. I will be back soon. Don't go anywhere. It is well cooked. This is after 20 minutes. Now coming to smash it. Add all peppers flat. This is black pepper. Add small to it. Powdered pepper. You're gonna add small salt. Small, just to give it a taste. All right. Then you mix. You can use your hand to smash it well. Remember, I told you before you start the whole recipe, you need to wash your hand to make your fingernails neat before you can do this. This is potato sticks. Look at it. You have to put it in a Ziploc bag, any bag that you can zip it, okay, or you lock it, okay. Then you put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes to 1 hour before you fry it. So now I'm bringing my Ziploc bag. Yes, these ones you can zip it, okay, or you can lock it. I'm dividing it into two. So this is my bag. Divide it into two and put it in a freezer for like 30 minutes, or let's say 1 hour. This is Amanda's Cook and Eat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. All right, so now you need to beat it down. Hey, to make it flat before you go and put it in the fridge. Locking it. All right. You have to make it flat, okay, before you put it in the freezer for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. We are making potato sticks. This is Amanda's Cook and Eat. So guys, this is okay. Very, very, very simple. This is Amanda's Cook and Eat. You have to zip it, close it, all right. So guys, as you can see, this is going inside the fridge. After 30 minutes I'll bring it out for you guys to see. I'll come and cut it into sticks form. That's why we call it potato sticks. We have potato cheese sticks. That's when you add cheese to it. I didn't add cheese to it, so my own is potato sticks. All right, it's a continental dish. I mean, it is known in all the European countries, so this is not something new. All right, this is Amanda's Cook and Eat. I'll be with you guys shortly. So after 30 minutes in the fridge, we are now coming to fry it. It's time for frying. This is our potato sticks. Wow, I think it's okay. I have to remove it. This is our crispy potato sticks. Okay, coming to cut it. This is Amanda's cook and eat. We call this deep frying. I love you guys for always showing me love. I really appreciate. All right, but please, when you go to my YouTube channel, just share my page for me. Okay, share my page and comment on my videos. Don't just go and watch the videos and leave it like that. Just comment, share my videos. Okay, all right, and subscribe as well. This is potato sticks. You won't get this anywhere. This is Amanda's cooking it. Okay, and this is a continental recipe. When you go to France, you find this recipe. When you go to Italy, you find it. When you go to Spain, when you go to any other European countries, you find it. Okay, so you try this at home. If you have leftover potatoes, use it to make potato sticks. I'll be back shortly. Okay. This is the final look. Okay, this is the potato sticks. All right, this is the final looks. You can add salt to it, or you can choose to eat it like that. Okay, so now let's try it and see. Wow. Perfect. Try it at home. Okay. All right, guys, I'm Amanda. This is Amanda's cooking. See you again next time. Okay, bye bye.